In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete old Outlook emails older than period. Let's start in the new Outlook experience. Open New Outlook and head straight to your inbox. At the top, click in the search bar. Use the built-in filters to specify a start date and an end date, so Outlook only shows messages within that window. If you're targeting old mail, set the end date to the cutoff you care about, then click Search. Once the results load, you'll see just the messages that match your date range. From here, select the messages you no longer need and delete them. This is a quick way to bulk clean without scrolling through your entire mailbox. Keep in mind that deleted items typically move to the deleted items folder first, so if you want to reclaim space immediately, empty that folder after you finish. If you'd rather automate cleanup in New Outlook, you can use a rule. Open Settings, go to Mail, then Rules, and create a new rule. Give it a clear name you'll recognize later. Add the condition received before, and choose the exact date that represents your cutoff. Set the action to delete. With this in place, any message that meets that condition will be deleted automatically. Review the condition carefully before saving, because rules can act on a lot of mail very quickly. Consider testing with a conservative date first to confirm the results look right. Now, if you're using Classic Outlook, you can manage old mail with Auto Archive settings at the folder level. Right-click the folder you want to clean, such as Inbox, choose Properties, and open the Auto Archive tab. Enable Archive this folder and set Clean Out items older than to the age you want, for example, 360 days if you want to target emails older than 1 year. Then choose Permanently Delete Old Items and click OK. This tells Outlook to remove messages past that age instead of moving them elsewhere. If you want the cleanup to run right away, you can trigger it manually by going to File, Info, and selecting Mailbox Cleanup. This is helpful if you need space immediately or want to confirm the settings worked. That's it. Thanks for watching.